As we age, one of the most noticeable changes in our bodies is the weakening of our legs. This isn't just an inconvenience, it's a potential warning sign of declining mobility and independence. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore why leg weakness occurs first, the risks it poses, and 3 powerful foods you can incorporate into your diet to reverse and prevent this decline. Understanding why legs weaken first. The role of sarcopenia. Sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle mass and strength, is the primary culprit behind leg weakness. Starting around age 40, muscle mass declines at a rate of approximately 1% per year, and this rate doubles by the time you reach your 60s. Why the legs are affected most. Your legs house the largest and most active muscles in your body. These muscles bear your weight, support you during daily activities like standing and walking, and are engaged in nearly all forms of movement. As such, they are the first to show signs of wear and tear when muscle loss occurs. The risks of weak legs. Increased fall risk. Weak legs are directly linked to an increased risk of falls, which are the leading cause of injury-related deaths among adults over 65. Falls can lead to fractures, long recovery times, or even permanent disability. Loss of independence. Activities such as climbing stairs, standing from a chair, or walking in the park can become increasingly difficult, limiting your ability to live independently. Impact on mental well-being. Struggling with mobility often leads to decreased confidence and can contribute to feelings of isolation and depression. Reversing leg weakness. The power of diet. The good news is that muscle weakness can often be slowed or reversed through the right dietary choices. Here are 3 key foods that can help you strengthen your legs and improve your overall health. 1. Fatty fish. The muscle builder. Fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines are nutritional powerhouses that can support muscle health and joint function. Why fatty fish? Omega-3 fatty acids. These good fats reduce inflammation, alleviate joint stiffness, and promote muscle recovery. High-quality protein. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth. Fatty fish provides a steady supply of amino acids, the building blocks of muscle. Vitamin D. Found abundantly in fatty fish, vitamin D strengthens bones and supports muscle function. How to include fatty fish in your diet? Grill or bake salmon with a splash of lemon and herbs for dinner. Add canned tuna to salads or sandwiches for a quick lunch. Snack on sardines paired with whole grain crackers for a nutrient-rich treat. Consider plant-based alternatives like flax seeds and walnuts or fish oil supplements if you don't eat fish. 2. Dairy products. The guardian of strength. Dairy products, including milk, yogurt, and cheese, are rich in nutrients that support both muscle and bone health. Key nutrients in dairy. Protein, critical for repairing and building muscle. For example, a single glass of milk contains about 8 grams of protein, while Greek yogurt offers 20 grams per serving. Calcium, essential for maintaining strong bones. Calcium supports the structure that muscles rely on to function effectively. Tips for incorporating dairy. Start your day with a glass of milk or a serving of yogurt topped with fresh fruit and nuts. Add a sprinkling of cheese to salads or sandwiches. Snack on cheese paired with whole grain crackers for a quick energy boost. If you're lactose intolerant, opt for fortified plant-based milks, like almond or soy milk. 3. Leafy green vegetables, the savior of legs. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, collard greens, and arugula are vital for maintaining muscle and bone health. Nutritional highlights: vitamin K helps your body absorb calcium, crucial for building strong bones. Magnesium prevents muscle cramps and supports overall muscle function. Potassium regulates fluid balance and prevents muscle cramps by ensuring smooth muscle contractions. Simple ways to add leafy greens: blend spinach or kale into smoothies with fruits like bananas or berries. Toss greens into salads with a light vinaigrette dressing. Sauté greens with garlic and olive oil as a nutrient-packed side dish. Add greens to soups, stews, or pasta dishes for extra flavor and nutrition. Inspiring story: Margaret's journey. Margaret, a 72-year-old woman, struggled with weak legs for years. She avoided walking in the park and found climbing stairs almost impossible. After incorporating a healthier diet and simple exercises into her routine, Margaret saw incredible improvements. Within months, she was walking a mile daily and even returned to ballroom dancing, a beloved hobby. Margaret's story highlights the transformative power of proper nutrition and consistent effort. Take action today. If you've noticed signs of leg weakness, such as difficulty standing or instability when walking, now is the time to act. Start by including these 3 key foods in your diet and complement them with regular exercise. By making these changes, you're not just improving your leg strength but also investing in your long-term independence and quality of life. Conclusion: your legs are the foundation of your mobility and independence. Weakness in these essential muscles can lead to serious consequences, but with the right approach, you can maintain or even improve your leg strength at any age. Incorporate fatty fish, dairy products, and leafy green vegetables into your daily meals to give your legs the support they need. Take control of your health today. Your legs will thank you for it.